hope you enjoyed that gratuitous driving footage. I was trying to think of what I needed to do for a video this week. I've got tons of parts sitting in the garage in there, and I said, you know, you guys are probably tired of hearing me talk and you want to probably see some driving footage. So I've had the car out for about 2 to 2.5 hours doing some shakedown runs on some of the back roads around where I live. And, you know, I just basically was trying to look for things that could be a serious issue. And things that I have seen, and I can smell it right now. There's definitely some, there's an oil leak coming from the differential, which I mentioned before, but it's also, I can smell that differential oil. So I need to get and see what the oil level is in the differential. We are having some tire rubbing in the front, particularly when I turn left or right. It seems to be the driver's side wheel is rubbing either into the body or something. So I need to inspect that. You know, things we already knew. Suspension's a little ratty. Interior needs a little work on things, but anyway, I won't ramble on too much, but we definitely have a lot of projects coming up. I have a lot of the interior components, center consoles, carpet, some of the dash pieces. I do have some brackets to try to mount the head unit. I've got brake kits. I got lots of stuff in there. So this weekend I'm going to sit down and kind of prioritize which items are going to be probably the most important to deal with. So I definitely want to be able to take this body kit off at some point, because I think right now I can't do that because some of the fasteners are stripped out. But if I ever need to jack the car up or, you know, get some access, you know, it'd be nice to be able to pop these off. So I'm thinking I'll probably do that next, just because I can pop all the body kits off and that'll help free up access for some of the other stuff. So there's definitely lots of projects we have to do. There's been a lot of comments about, you know, driving the car hard and should do this and should do that. And, you know, the simple truth is that the way that this car has been modified with a free-flowing exhaust and a free-flowing intake, I really shouldn't be pushing the car that hard on the stock ECU. So I need to look for maybe try to get my hands on a used Apexi Power FC or something like that to give me the ability to help to dial in the engine a little bit, because right now I run the risk of over boosting with the free-flowing intake and not having enough gas in the engine. So I can't push it too hard. I mean, I did rev it out to about 7,000 or 8,000 RPMs a couple times while driving today. So I just don't want to do that on a regular basis, or try to do donuts or burn it out or whatever, because I still need to go through the engine and make sure I feel comfortable that it can handle that type of activity right now. So yeah, so don't hate me for not really doing anything too crazy on the drive today, but that's why I'm trying to keep the RPMs down and keep the boost down a little bit, so that we don't have any issues and that create even bigger issues that we're going to have to deal with in the future. So anyway, guys, thanks for all the support on the videos. I know some of the videos get a little bit boring trying to deal with electrical things, but they're kind of important for getting the car safely on the road and making life in the car a little more enjoyable. So anyway, thanks for your patience, and I'll see you guys next week.